Hey everybody, it's Greg here, and in this video I'm going to share a strategy with you that I think every online business should have in their business, whether it be an affiliate marketing business or whether you're doing course creation yourself. Anyway, I think you should watch this entire video because you definitely want to employ this strategy. Now, there's some different ways to do this. You can promote an affiliate program. So what I'm talking about is a recurring revenue affiliate program that pays you every month. Now, I think that's really important to have recurring revenue, whatever business you have online, whether you be an affiliate marketer, whether you're creating your own products. But here's something that I think is better, because you want people to stay subscribed to the recurring offer. Obviously, if you make the sale, you want them to stay as long as possible. So I think promoting software as a service is really the way to go. Now, a lot of people promote products like ClickFunnels, but I think there's even a better way to do it. And it's basically promoting white label software products. So you can brand these products to be your own, whatever it is that you can come up with. So if you can come up with a short domain name and promote these products and give it a unique spin, I really think there's potential for profit here in the long term. So here's one spin on it that I think is really a good way to position yourself, especially if you're an affiliate or you're a product creator, but you don't want to get into software development, because a lot of recurring programs are oversaturated with everybody promoting them and somebody signed up to it. So in order to get a competitive advantage, I really believe that you need something new. So that's where having a white label software product that's recurring is kind of a unique spin to the whole thing, instead of just promoting something like ClickFunnels that everybody's promoting. So what you can do is you can get a short domain name and you can brand some recurring software and promote that. It's like being an affiliate for a product. You can position it as your own product as well, which is kind of cool. And let's go over some of the reasons why I think that this particular software I'm going to tell you about, and I'll post a link down below in the description so you can find out more, but I'll tell you why I think this is probably one of the best things you can promote right now. Now, number one, if you were to create software as a service on your own, there'd be a lot of startup costs. So one, promoting a white label software product as your own has zero startup cost. Now, two, you have to think about what every online business needs. Now, they need email. They need some hosting. They probably need some type of sales pages or lead capture pages. They probably need a place to possibly host their content. Thinking about all these things in mind, there's just a few sources that sort of fit that bill. But if you could create a short domain name and brand a service that covers all of these bases, and you can price it lower than the competition, then you have a real competitive advantage. So what I'm going to do is I'll post a link below this video where you can find out more. Check out the link below in the description, click on that, and you can get a free trial to it and explore it, and think about the white label possibilities by just creating a short domain name and branding it as your own and incorporating that either as an affiliate product or as part of your offering if you're a course creator. So definitely something worth checking out. I'll put the link down below in the description. Click on that and find out more about it and see if it's something that suits your style of online business. All right, thanks for watching this video. It's Greg here. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Also, if you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. I come out with new videos all the time. You don't want to miss one. Hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell notification so you get notified when the next video goes live. All right, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.